Management is all about organizing and coordinating all activity of business in order to achieve different objectives. Management is all about planning, coordinating, communicating, organizing and controlling all activities of business. Effective management is controlling people, products and equipment in efficient and effective manner. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Success in management required learning as fast as world change. Time management is all about the life management. According to change management, everything will be changed, but change is only the one never be changed. All achievements start with the decision to try. If you want to be a successful manager, don't be busy, be productive. Management is doing the thing right, but the leadership is doing the right thing. Please don't go sidetracked by the people who already detract. Do today whatever must be done. Your tomorrow may never become. Leadership working with goals and vision, but on the other hand, management working with objectives. A wave of change. A manager avoid, a leader ride, and an innovator create.